Today, I want to test the actual limit of beating Google Slides. As you've seen, Google Slides have been used for everything. It's a quick way to put a presentation together, and personally, I've used it many times. However, I recently learned that there is a 1,024,000 character limit. So today I want to see if I can break that limit. Well, not necessarily characters. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make the longest presentation ever using each verse as the best selling book of all time, the Bible. Let's get into it. Okay, so we have the beginnings to our little slideshow right here. I have a theme, I've added a name, and if I can just get this to center right. We do have the startings to our first slide right here. So, my goal is I create one slide per chapter of the best book, the best-selling book of all time, the best book in general, the Bible. So, let's get into using this. I'm going to use the Bible Gateway KJV Bible since it's online. And looks like we stumbled into our first problem. So, the problem with just doing this is, how far does this go? The problem with me doing this is, it does not get to the slide, and I don't think I can go any further than this. So we're gonna have to change the formatting a bit. See what single does. And I'm on a 300.3. So zoom. So yeah, this is, so having this a verse by verse is not gonna cut it out if we want to fit it on the slide. But then again, do we really need to fit it on the slide? I mean, it still stores the same amount of data, and sure, that data might be a little bit off, but if it's the smallest we can go, it's the smallest that it will allow for. Okay, what's this? 9.5? We'll decrease you all the way down to 6, 4, 2, 1. That is only like barely off. Like, what is that, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 verses? So yeah, this is gonna have to be what we settle with for now. I probably should make all of this, so yeah. This is basically how everything is gonna be now. Okay. I think it's already doing a little bit of lag because I'm not gonna like replay it, but if you like go back like 10 or so seconds, you will see that we have already lagged. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get to like the first 10 chapters. see if I'm like comfortable with this method, because this method could be one that does not get us the whole way. Creating images? Whoa. Oh my. What did I do? Wait, did I control A, control V? I did not control A, control V that. Yeah. So it seems like I was able to lag Google Slides on the second slide itself, which is kind of funny, because we're supposed to be keeping the entire Bible in here. Wait, okay, I'm not. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to delete that slide. Okay, let's try this again. So yeah, that's the type of stuff that's gonna be there. I'm probably not gonna record till I get like the first 10 chapters on. And we might just keep it like this because it's a little bit faster that way. So yeah, see you in some slides. Okay, and that better not be this. I better not be lagging now itself. Okay, it's probably all of this. So yeah, that's it for this, of course, and see you in 10 chapters or so. Okay. Yeah, I'm 1% of the way. I searched up the amount of chapters in the Bible, and I found that there's 1,189. And where are we? 12. And I've been like spending like 10 minutes. Like, I'm not even sure if the current method is acceptable. I mean, of course it breaks Google Slides, but should it count as a presentation if things go off the slide? I think that's a thing for y'all viewers to kind of decide that. But what I have to decide is, should I do something else? Like, should I make something else? Like, well, what should I really do? So I looked at some websites. So according to AI, and you can't trust AI. I mean, unless I'm trusting AI on this, but this is not the one page that I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is an entire file where every verse of the Bible is there. And if I were to like scroll down for 20 minutes and select that, that would work. It's the same thing here. Like, I get it, like, it's on one page, but when I think it's on one page, I think that verse by verse, it should be there. So yeah, so right now, I'm around Genesis 13, and this is like getting into the time of Abraham. And Abraham is pretty early in the Bible. Like, he comes in, like, Genesis, what is it, 9, 10, like, somewhere on this period. Like, I mean, it might be nice for, I mean, like, it might be fun for y'all to, like, see me suffer and do this, but I'm not sure if it's even acceptable, like, as a Google Slide presentation. So, like, this project is a good idea. So, what I'm assuming is I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board? Wait. The number of characters in the Bible. Text characters, yes, text. That's great. That's great. So technically, every part of the system is flawed, and yet I'm still doing it because I don't have a better idea. There is one good idea. We can get one file Project Gutenberg, but I'm kind of worried about how my storage would be because I don't have, my storage would probably be cooked. So, yeah. And Bible Gateway is just being really laggy, and when I select it wrong, like, you saw it earlier, like when I was doing Genesis 2. When I select it wrong, it basically crashes. Okay, yeah. So, guess that's it for part 1. Please like and subscribe. At least I might get something out of this suffering. And it would give me motivation to, like, actually find a way. But, yeah, that's it for part 1. But we're not going to be breaking Google Slides for a while under this system. Like, how long would this take? Like, if I do like 1% a day, which I probably wouldn't because today's Saturday, like, this could take upwards of a year, and this means that I can't break Google Slides necessarily, so I can't have the whole Bible like the goal. So I guess that's it for today, and see you next time.